Welcome back, everyone. So it's that time of year where we have cold front after cold front, and the cold fronts essentially determine whether or not we're going to get some rain and whether or not we're going to get a decent cool down. This one came through today, and you probably didn't notice it, but you know what? It's because it was a very weak frontal system. This thing really all it did was just shift our winds, making them come from the northwest instead of the west like they were yesterday. High pressure basically right behind it. That's sitting right over top of the region. That's giving us nice clear skies throughout the day today and allowing our temperatures to kind of fall off a cliff as we head into the evening hours. Already 47 degrees. Time check right now, 11:05 p.m. Over the next 48 hours, what you can really expect is to start to see those winds. Well, they're going to be shifting up once again. This time they're going to be coming out of the south. Don't expect any really strong gusts until we make our way into Tuesday. But notice this, early Tuesday night, wow. Lots of cloud cover comes in pretty early. Couple of those scattered showers mostly hanging out along the I-45 corridor and the Brazos Valley. That's actually ahead of this other stronger frontal system that we have pushing our way into the region. So can we expect some severe weather? There is a level 1 marginal risk for the I-45 corridor and the Brazos Valley. We are going to keep our eyes on it. I-35, well, we can expect a couple of thunderstorms, but as you saw, at least the model that I just showed you doesn't show heavy precipitation potential. Try saying that 3 times fast. I only have about a 20% chance of rain for then. Overnight tonight, well, it's going to stay pretty clear and it's going to stay on the cool side as you would expect with limited cloud cover. 41 degrees for much of central Texas. Northwest winds staying nice and calm before they shift to southerly winds as we head into tomorrow. And tomorrow, well, you had your vacation. I hope you enjoyed it. But work at school, yeah, that starts back up once again. 67, mostly sunny skies. Starting off, of course, on the chilly end, 41 degrees. But you know what? That's kind of what we can expect with some relatively clear conditions. Well, here's your 7-day planner. Always a weekend forecast. Cyber Monday, perfect for shopping online. Well, you're not going to be outside, so really any day is going to be perfect for online shopping. Tuesday, 20% chance of that rain coming through. But it's going to be pretty warm. Look at that, 77 degrees. That's about 10 degrees warmer than what we saw today and what we're going to be seeing tomorrow. Quick cool down too, already dropping down into those 50s, possibly early 30s on Thursday morning. And the cloud cover comes back into the forecast. Slight rain chances heading into next weekend. Stay tuned. Sports is coming up next.